Good morning, good morning. I was planning to show you other stuff and then I got sidetracked. So yesterday I was working in my books once again, plus I was creating my soft fabric journals. I must admit, at first I thought, I don't really feel like it. I really don't feel like it. But I sat here, I tore and cut sizes that's kind of the same. Then I had so many that at the end, I ended up with 2 books. No plans. That is what makes me a little bit nervous is not the right word, but while I'm doing things and I'm not sure where it's going to go, you get a little bit nervous. And why? I have no idea why, because this doesn't have to go anywhere. I can tear some fabrics and then decide, no, I'm not going to go for the books. I'm going to make a blanket. Or, I'm just going to leave it. We put so much pressure on us through our preconceived ideas of how our products and our stuff, creations, how they need to unfold. And guess what? Creative play. Look at children. Creative play. You don't know where it's going. You just play. And then at the end, oh, look at this, I made a stick man. Oh, look at this, I'm making some mud cakes. Look at this, look at this, look at this. No, but we grew up, oh my goodness, very fast. 1 minute you are playing, creating intuitively, the next minute you're in school and now you need to create like this, and if your things doesn't look like what it's supposed to look like and all the other kids, you're wrong. So very, very fast, very quick, we lose our creativity, our freedom, never creativity, but we lose our freedom to create, and that makes us nervous. So there's lots of things, words that's been going around, and one